In today's video, we'll be discussing the difference between commercial and industrial cleaning. Although these two terms are often used interchangeably, they serve different purposes and require different cleaning methods. Stay tuned as we break down their key differences, where each is applied, and why understanding them is important for maintaining clean, safe, and productive environments. Let's get started. Commercial and industrial cleaning are two important cleaning services, but they serve different purposes and environments. Commercial cleaning focuses on maintaining cleanliness in places such as offices, schools, hotels, shopping malls, banks, and healthcare facilities. It involves routine tasks like sweeping, mopping, dusting, window cleaning, waste disposal, and sanitizing workspaces to create a clean and healthy environment for employees and visitors. Industrial cleaning, on the other hand, is carried out in factories, warehouses, manufacturing plants, and other industrial facilities. It involves cleaning heavy machinery, production equipment, storage tanks, and areas exposed to grease, chemicals, and industrial waste. Industrial cleaning often requires specialized equipment, trained personnel, and strict safety procedures due to the presence of hazardous materials and complex machinery. In summary, commercial cleaning focuses on maintaining clean business environments, while industrial cleaning deals with more demanding cleaning tasks in industrial settings where safety and specialized techniques are essential. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.